really wanted to put this on to inform our customers what Komatsu's coming out with the new 2.0 technology, and I really wanted to put an emphasis on the intelligent excavator and really highlight what it can do. I mean, most people know what the dozers are capable of now. The excavator technology, what I really wanted to highlight. As you can see behind me, we've got the 290, and right now I'm kind of emulating a pipe application with it. We did a 2-hour presentation on dozer excavator, and then we got out here to the field and they got in the seat of the excavator and everyone was like, wow, you know, this is neat. Cutting edge technology that Komatsu's been leading the way since 2013, and nice to see guys put a smile on their face and say, this is pretty awesome.
So working for Komatsu, we're all about solutions and providing those to customers, and my background coming from the dirt world, really it improves what I can do here with Komatsu and provide solutions to customers. We're here at Local 150 here in Wilmington, Illinois, and 150 being the largest local union operators hall. Today we're working with contractors, and we had students and instructors with us teaching them about the new technology, whether that be Intelligent Machine Control 2.0 or Smart Construction offering, and really trying to provide them with a solution that can help them down the road. And talking to instructors today, one of the big things was how we can help that new generation learn how to run these machines. The overall impressions were really good. A lot of them honestly didn't know what we offered and what we could give them as solutions.
I am a second-year apprentice coming out of Local 150. I just operated the new Komatsu excavator, and probably the nicest thing I've ever ran in my life. It's smooth, it's accurate, it's consistent, I have no issues. It's gorgeous. It's a gorgeous machine, and to me it's flawless right now. Like, compared to what I've used, can't compare it.
Part of Zees & Sons Excavating. I'm one of the co-owners, and we're out here at the training site for Local 150 to run the Komatsu dozers and excavators and to experience the intelligent machines. We just purchased our first technology dozer. I definitely see the advantages in having an intelligent machine, not having to climb up on the blade every day to put up poles, and you have a lot more productivity with all the intelligent machines now. The Komatsu brand seems to be awesome, and I look forward to running them more.
I'm one of the Local 150 instructors out here at the Apprenticeship Skill Improvement Program. They came out here today to demonstrate this intelligent machine control on these Komatsu dozers and excavators. And I was kind of hesitant at first to think that it was going to be worth what they said it is, but they proved me wrong. It's definitely going to be a valuable asset to help it increase the learning experience of our apprentices and members coming in. And I think it's definitely the new wave of the future. I think having this machine control will help expedite their learning experience exponentially. I think they'll be able to learn the feel of the machine and how the machine reacts even quicker than without the technology. The technology is where it's at today in the industry, and if you don't know it when you get out there, you're definitely going to be behind the learning curve. It's extremely important to be up to date with all the newest technology if you want to be able to be competitive and productive in our industry.